I was also at one stage we tried run this revolutionary new Hoover in the screen. Now, just to be aware, obviously before your time, it was a backpack Hoover that they wanted to have in cinemas, so you could run along because of the size of the screen and like hoover everything out and collect it. Just didn't work. But I always remember Natalie, trying it out, and it was just I was strapped to her back with the thing on. It was like one of these things that garden blower machines, that sort of thing, except it was supposed to suck everything up, and just couldn't cope with all that popcorn.